Hello, and welcome to the Daily Mindful Moment. My name is Dr. Valcin, and I am a psychologist at the Emmanuel College Counseling Center. Today, I will lead you through a mindfulness exercise that accentuates the sense of sound. With all the chaos and stress that is currently going on in our world due to the coronavirus, it is important to take some time to slow down, pause, and be present in the current moment. For the next couple of minutes, I want you to take some time to simply stop what you're doing and focus on the here and now. I will guide you through the exercise. As you follow along, if you start to feel distracted by thoughts about the past, present, and/or future, let the thoughts come, but release them quickly so that they can also leave. Now, find a comfortable and safe place to sit in your current environment. If you can't sit right now, but can locate a safe and comfortable place to stand, that is also fine. For those of you who are unable to locate a safe place at this time, you can do this exercise at a later time. Safety is a priority. Now, I want you to close your eyes to help you accentuate and focus the sense of sound today. Identify the sounds around you. Mentally locate where the sounds are coming from. Focus on the sounds in the foreground. The sounds in the background. If a distracting thought arises, don't dwell on it. Return your focus back to the sounds in your environment. Focus on the soft sounds. The loud sounds. Consider how these sounds currently impact your mood. Consider how these sounds make your body respond. Slowly open your eyes and get reacquainted with your environment. Look at the directions of where the sounds are coming from. And when you're ready, you can continue on with your day. Thank you for joining me today in this mindfulness exercise. Consider practicing this a few times a week. Take good care. Bye.